All right, so again, I have 6 into 894. And if you didn't watch the previous video on area model, you might want to watch that one first. But this time, we're going to solve using partial quotients. Partial quotients method. So here I have my 6 into 894. And I want to use the partial quotients method, so I'm going to draw a line right there. And the first thing I want to do again is I want to think as large of a number that's a multiple of 6 that goes into 894. But I want to use easy multiples. So I'm going to start with a number that I know is very easy. 100. 6 times 100 is 600. So I'm going to subtract 600. And I'm going to put 100 over here. Because 100 times 6 is 600. And I'm left with 294. So I still have 294 to go. So now I need to think of another number that goes into 294 and is a multiple of 6. And there are a lot of different choices out there, but I'm going to use my times tables. I know that 6 times 4 is 24. If I add a 0 to that, I can get 240. I could have done 20, I could have done 10, but I'm going to use my times tables to try and get as close as I can to this number without going over. So that's 240. So I'm going to subtract 240, and I'm going to put a 40 right here, because 6 times 40 is 240. And that leaves me with 54. Now, again, I need to use my times tables. 6 times what is 54? And I know that 6 times 9 is 54. So I'm going to put a 9 right here, subtract my 54. I have 0, so there's no remainder. I put my 9 because 6 times 9 is 54. And now I take these three numbers and I add them together. 100 plus 40 plus 9 gives me 149. And that is the partial quotients method of solving a division problem. That is the partial quotients method.